Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salad healthy and tasty, updated. Start by choosing mixed greens, then layer textures and flavors to keep each bite interesting. Use a base of leafy greens, add a protein, toss in crunchy vegetables, and finish with a small amount of healthy fat. Season with citrus, vinegar, and a touch of salt to balance flavors and enhance natural sweetness. Make dressings in small batches to keep flavors bright and avoid waste, and taste as you go so the acidity, fat, and salt are balanced. Try citrus plus olive oil for a fresh profile, or yogurt with lemon for creaminess without excess calories. Add herbs, grated garlic, or a little mustard to bind the dressing. Toss just before serving to keep greens crisp and textures lively. Think about contrast. Crunchy, creamy, juicy, and fresh all in one bowl makes salads exciting and satisfying. Toast nuts or seeds for crunch, roast beets or sweet potatoes for warmth, and add sliced apple or pear for a bright sweetness. Mix in fresh herbs and a sprinkle of salty cheese or nutritional yeast to elevate umami. Layer ingredients so each forkful has variety and balance to keep you coming back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.